As you guys can see, this AI video right here just got 100,000 views. And the craziest part is they didn't even have to show their face. The scariest part is this works extremely well. Here's a small preview of what my video looks like with an editor added into it.
So, I almost died taking Shilajit capsules. A few months ago, I hit rock bottom. I was constantly exhausted, my skin was breaking out, and nothing seemed to work.
I'm not going to show you the full thing and what the results are. That'll be for another video, but just stick along. So if you aren't living under a rock, you should know that TikTok Shop and TikTok Shop Affiliate have gone through a lot of changes recently. And as some of the changes are bad and, could ruin a lot of our futures, there are also some really good ones that can obviously change a lot of lives. That being said, I will cover all the new updates at the end of this video or probably in a new video, so make sure you stick to the end. So with that being said, a lot of you guys really like the Creatify AI video that I made recently on my channel, where a lot of people wanted to pretty much outsource the entire video creation process. And I mean, this really goes for any program out there, whether that be the creativity program or, all the other ones out there where you can literally just make money off of posting videos. Because as a lot of you guys are probably 18 years old, 25, 30, or even 40 years old, not everybody's a content creator, and I understand that. So today I'm going to be showing you something that Creatify AI has just made that is actually going to blow your mind. Also, for the people that thought I died, I've been sick for like 14 days, so I apologize. Also, this video is sponsored by Creatify AI, so go ahead and click the first link in the description down below if you want to go ahead and get a discount. Alright, so I'm inside the affiliate center, meaning that this is actual TikTok data where you can pretty much look at anybody's real stats. So right here, I found this pretty cool page. It goes by the name of Health Dose 6. It's a fast growing page, meaning they're getting a good amount of followers quickly. So this is a good indicator where you can obviously, find somebody that does good numbers very quickly, so you can just copy them. That being said, in one single month, they sold over $46,000 with an average commission rate of 27%. So you probably made $10,000 in this one single month. That being said, if you scroll down a little bit further, you can see that all of his videos are AI. Now, these were not generated with Creatify AI, but like I said, that being said, going to show, just trying to put it in your face that you're actually able to make money with AI. Now, a lot of people have put up comments and put up questions and even some, disclaimers saying that, hey, you're not able to actually make money with AI. But if you go to post a video on TikTok, there's literally a disclaimer at the bottom that says you can post this video if you, disclose that it's AI generated. So just showing you this is actual real life proof that you're able to make thousands of dollars with AI. So before I even get into any further, talk. Now, the way I actually go about finding a product to get for one of these videos is to simply scroll on the For You page. Now, as I just showed you, this is a pretty good research tool where you can search for creators and see exactly how much they're making, but there's no really definite way to find a product that is selling good, nor with stats whatsoever. And all those product research tools such as CaloData, ShopPlus, Peaksta, all those other tools, they're actually shit. Like, I'm just being straight up with you, they're trying to charge you $50 for products that you have no idea any of the data whatsoever. They give you one little slot to view a picture and one stats of a product. It's almost impossible to do product research with any tool online now, so just goes to show you just gotta go the organic route. But anyways, I will be back once we find a winning product. Alright, so I went ahead and actually found a product through the affiliate center. That being said, you don't have to go through this process, but I just quickly looked through the stats and found out that this actually does pretty good. So as you guys can see, this video got over 300,000 views and the video generated literally $10,000. So, I don't even know what to say about that. But anyways, if you go ahead and take a look at the page right here, you can see this is one of the most viral videos. And if you want to go ahead and take a look at the comments, I mean, all of it is good. There's a really good engagement rate. And altogether, supplements and, beauty products, anything that has to do with, just how you feel mentally and physically does really well on TikTok. Because again, if it's under $30, people don't really have to think, especially with the flash sale. I mean, it just goes crazy. Now, I don't suggest making the entire video AI. You obviously want to have some sort of clips in there of the product, so this is a perfect example. Now, I'm going to be showing you a strategy that actually is pretty genius, and I thought about it. So again, right here in this video, he shows off the product, meaning that I can just clip this using Snaptic and then add it into my AI video. Alright, so once you found a product, all you need to do is head over to CreatifyAI.com or use the link in the description down below. Once you make a free account, you can actually go ahead and get some of the free features on here. Now, what I'm going to be showing you is one of the paid tools, but like I said, it's absolutely worth it, and it's something that I personally really think is cool. So if you head over to the AI avatar, you can actually see that obviously there's a whole bunch of different avatars right here, and it's cool because there's 30, I believe, oh my god, there's almost like 100. I didn't even check. Last time I checked, there was like 30. Now there's over 100. So there's a lot of people that you can choose from. The cool part is, though, the reason that I wanted to show you to this, because the reason, being why people purchase on TikTok Shop, people purchase products, it's because it's from people that they trust. It's just everyday people. Now, this might count as impersonation. Now, this might count as impersonation, but I found this to be one of the highest converting videos out there. So if you scroll up and you guys can see, this is a paid feature, like I said, but it is totally worth it. So this is the avatar feature where you can create your own, meaning that if you put your own face or anybody else's out there, you can make them talk. All right, so it's not super simple to get started. You can't just throw up a picture because obviously this is very advanced software, but that's why I'm showing it off now, because they've been in development for over like 4 months with this project, and I'm just now showing you how to do it. So first of all, it's just saying, film yourself explaining, speaking freely on any topic that comes to mind. So pretty much it's just getting you, getting your profile, all the voices, everything that you want to do. You have to upload footage that lasts 2 to 5 minutes. Position yourself in the center of the camera. So like I said, if you want to use somebody else, like use an influencer, so obviously you can fake it essentially. I know this is probably illegal, but it's just TikTok who's really gonna get you. You can just add everything in here, and this is easy. Do not stitch or edit your footage. So like I said, if you can just find a raw video of the person you want talking or yourself, that would be even better. Avoid shifting your position. So again, really, it's just a simple video. Find a talking head video of whoever you want, then add it in here. But again, please use this for good purposes, not anything bad, because this is pretty accurate. So right here, you get to upload a maximum file of 1000 MB, which is pretty much a gigabyte. So as long as you can get a video, just chop it up, or not even chop it up, just make sure it's not super high, file size. You can add it in here, and it will take some time to upload, but once we're done, I think that we'll have a pretty crazy video. Now, I don't want to use a different influencer for this take because I actually like Sam Cruz, or is that his name, Sam Cruz? I forgot. Yeah, Santa Cruz. I actually like him, so I'm not going to impersonate him and go to jail and him hate me type of stuff. I'm going to go ahead and use my own voice, so I'm going to be talking into the camera and trying this feature out. Oh, and also, this isn't just for TikTok Shop. You can use this for any platform out there. If you want to make Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, really anything where you don't have to make any of the content yourself and you just give it a script and it sounds exactly and looks exactly like you, then this is it. All right, did you really think that you're going to use somebody else's voice for your own profit and benefit? No, that was completely a joke, and obviously there are precautions that they put in to not let you do that. So after you uploaded your video, obviously you have to say your name and then that you consent to actually having AI use you for any purposes. All right, so that being said, it takes a couple days to go ahead and render your avatar because Creatify AI actually has to look into it and make sure that it's actually you, and on top of that, approve it. So I waited around 24 to 48 hours and it finally just got approved. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it actually works. All right, so right here, going back to the AI avatar section, as you guys can see, my own avatar is right here, and I believe that video only took around like 20 seconds to make. You just have to read off a script, and then on top of that, you just have to give it an example video, which is obviously, I gave it a good looking one with my professional camera, so every single time I make a video off of here, I can get that professional camera looking type of quality. So anyways, what I personally went ahead and did, I didn't change any of the settings, but right here, the aspect ratio, you want to put it by 9:16. It'll be there automatically because they know everybody wants to do it on TikTok. But on top of that, it's just going to look a whole lot better because that's originally what I planned it for. That being said, for the voice, it should automatically have your name on the voiceover section right here. So as you guys can see, it'll say male or female if you're a woman doing this. Alex, which is what your account username would be. So my name's Alex Kramer on the account. And then for the default accent, if you go ahead and listen to this, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my audio so you guys can hear it, but just listen to this voice.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai. This is my voice and how I sound. Allow me to deliver your message using my unique tone to your audience.
I mean, that's pretty straightforward. I mean, my voice is kind of up and down sometimes, but that sounds pretty freaking accurate. A little bit scary, and on top of that, this is the first time that I'm recording this video without even using this myself. I just wanted to hop on the camera and record this whenever everything got approved. That sounds pretty freaking good. So now I'm going to go ahead and just kind of show you off exactly how we can get a script going. All right, so for talking head videos where you're just going to be showing your face on the video, you need to go ahead and obviously make it seem as if you're actually there. And lastly, I apologize, you can't be using other people's faces, so you do have to show your face for this one. Or if you want to use your friend, whatever, just make sure that they're able to do the consent video. But that being said, the way to go ahead and get a really good talking style head video is, essentially doing it as if you're going to be telling a story. So for me, what I like to do is go into ChatGPT, simply ask it for a pretty easy but pretty viral type script. So just ask it for this product, by the way. So let's just say that I wanted to sell this Shilajit resin right here. This is just a tub of Shilajit resin. You take it and it just boosts your energy, your metabolism, all that good stuff. So right here, what I'm gonna do is I am attempting to make a TikTok shop affiliate video, but with a twist. I want to make an interesting talking head style where I share a story that captures attention. Please make a short but interesting story involving the product Shilajit resin. Now, you don't have to make this entire script, like this is way too long, but I'm just being very dead center specific. So please tell me, please make a short but interesting story involving a product, Shilajit resin, and how it changed my life with a good hook. So right from there, it's going to go ahead and quickly create you a script. Now, there are a lot of things that are pretty unnecessary. So right here, it's giving you all these like placeholders, this opening scene hook. This is pretty good if you want to give this to your editor, like if you're going to have somebody professionally edit these videos, which I do suggest, which actually would look pretty good. I might even do that for an example later in this video. But that being said, like I said, there's a whole bunch of placeholders here, text, quotations. We don't need that. We just want the copy and paste script. But like I said, there's a whole bunch of different narrations, variations of this, and we can just kind of see exactly what it gave us. So right here it says, a few months ago I hit rock bottom. Wait, hold on. Have you ever stumbled upon something so ancient and mysterious that it completely transformed your life? That's an okay hook, but like I said, if we're trying to get people hooked on this video, we're going to be doing something very straightforward, like I almost died taking like another supplement. So I don't know what that be. What would be vitamin B? I'm having a tongue twister right now. So let's just say I almost died taking vitamin B. Then from there, it'll say, let me tell you about my unexpected journey with Shilajit resin, a way better alternative. And then from here, you can talk about your personal experience. A few months ago, I hit rock bottom. So people really want to be let in on your story. They want to obviously feel as if they're included. Maybe if they're in the same situation as you. For talking head videos, it's pretty essential to go and tell a story rather than just show a product in your hand, because all these other TikTok shop affiliates that are making videos off their iPhone, showing off the product in their hand, that's the type of demonstration. But for you, if we're doing a talking style video where we're automatically creating these, you need to be able to tell a story. All right, so after you kind of get the idea of the script, like I said, I just asked ChatGPT, can you give me the script without like any placeholders, any text, just so I can straight up copy and paste it with a couple spaces in between. So right here, all you gotta do is copy and paste your script. Now, like I said, CreatifyAI, their, I guess, script writer right here is a little bit messed up where I can't exactly do spaces in between it. That's perfectly fine. The good thing is, what I really like about this is whenever you go ahead and purchase a business plan, you get a whole bunch of videos. Now, you can go ahead and use the CreatifyAI, the tool that I'm showing you right now, if you want to go ahead and pay for the business plan. Now, this is expensive. I will put it this way. It's $200 a month. The good thing is, though, you get 240 credits, and every video costs 5 credits. So you can probably get around 40, 50 videos for like $200. Personally, I think that's a really good time investment if you can get a VA or somebody to just copy and paste this process that we're doing here. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and stop talking. I'm going to go ahead and edit the script, make sure everything looks good, and I'm going to show you the final result. All right, so it does take a while to edit the script, like I said. Now, the cool thing is there's also an AI script writer right here. It's pretty much the same thing, but I'm just going to be using ChatGPT for that purpose. That being said, here's my hook. So I almost died taking Shilajit capsules. So this is the resin. This is pretty much like the liquid version. Capsules. And the thing is, I didn't explain how I almost died taking Shilajit capsules. Obviously, I didn't. That's a fake headline. But you know, I didn't explain it in the video, so there might be some comments saying, what the heck, how did you almost die, like, you know, that sort of stuff. So, and for the hook at the end, or the, I guess the call to action is, if you're an avid health watcher and need a better alternative, this is the one for you. Get it down below while there's still a flash sale going on. So not too salesy, not too bad. So from here, we're gonna go ahead and click render. It's going to generate a preview. Now, what I like about this is that you can hear the voice. You can hear exactly how it sounds before they go ahead and process the video. It's not going to take any credits from you. So once you go ahead and get the final result, then you'll be able to see it, and that's where your credits spent. But from here, it looks good. All right, so around 20 seconds later, it gave me the final video. Now, like I said, this is not going to be synced whatsoever, so it's going to be showing you something else that doesn't look like it. So anyways, first of all, what I personally would do, I would remove the captions. That's just not needed. Now, they do actually have some pretty cool captions, I will say. So if you click right here, you can see that there are some different styles. So this looks okay. This looks, I guess, okay. So yeah, these two right here, they actually look pretty good. But for just the example of this video, I'm not going to be using captions. Now, animations, there are some other things you can add animations to the text. So like I said, this is almost like a full-on video creation service. That being said, we're not going to go ahead and use it. So let's go ahead and see how it sounds and looks in terms of tone, spacing, punctuation, all that. Again, don't pay attention to the screen, just listen to the words.
I almost died taking Shilajit capsules. A few months ago, I hit rock bottom. I was constantly exhausted, my skin was breaking out, and nothing seemed to work.
Like, this is scary how accurate this is to my voice. Like, I understand there are other services out there, but this is like an all-in-one that also puts it with your face. So I'm really excited to see the final result, but let's just hear the ending of this.
A better alternative? This is the one for you. Get it down below while there's a flash sale going on.
It's not bad at all. Like, this is the first thing that I've ever actually been surprised about. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit render right here. Costs around 5 credits, and then all from there, it's gonna go ahead and create it. And it will take a little bit, since like I said, this is a little bit of a long video. I believe this is like 45 seconds. Right here, you can see it's already at 3%. So I'm gonna be back probably 10-20 minutes. I'll let you guys know and see what the final result looks like. Okay, I thought it would take like 10-20 minutes. It took like 5 minutes. So I'm very excited to see this. Like, I know I'm not acting super excited, but like, I just woke up. Let's just take a look at this and see exactly how it looks.
So, I almost died taking Shilajit capsules. A few months ago, I hit rock bottom. I was constantly exhausted, my skin was breaking out, and nothing seemed to work. I felt hopeless. One night, I stumbled upon CMOS. People claimed it transformed...
Yo, how does it... Wait! How is that even possible with the hands? Yo! No way.
Alive again. CMOS has 92 of the 102 minerals.
My eyes are looking around. My head is moving. My hands are... What?
Our bodies need. It's like nature's multivitamin. This supplement changed my life in ways I never thought possible. If you're an avid health watcher and need a better alternative, this is the one for you. Get it down below while there's a flash sale going on.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what the hell was that? That was amazing. So that was the coolest thing that I've ever seen. That was so accurate. Like, the hands were moving, the eyes were moving, the hands, the lip, like, bro, that was amazing. And I will say, I am very impressed. Now, like I said, as it does cost quite a chunk of money, I think that I could take this to the moon. Now, originally, whenever I spoke about getting an editor to go ahead and, you know, overlay this video, add some cool effects, do all that sort of stuff, I thought I needed that like heavily because the video would be so bad. But this alone can literally just rip on TikTok. So imagine adding a good editor with this video, that would go absolutely insane. And the thing is, like, this looks a little bit too realistic to the point where I don't even think I'm going to check the AI box off of TikTok where you have to disclose that it's AI content. I'm pretty sure that I can upload this as an original video. Now, that being said, I know that this is a sponsored video, but I wanted to go ahead and bring some attention to this because this is absolutely insane. If you guys want to go ahead and get yourself a discount, go ahead and click the first link in the description down below. And that being said, if you want to go ahead and see the edited version of that with overlays, effects, and me actually posting it on TikTok Shop and seeing if I get views, money, likes, shares, engagement, whatever, go ahead and comment the word AI in caps all down below. You know, I was really tempted to actually say, and this video was made completely with AI. Hello, everybody. Yeah, no, that would be crazy, but that was amazing. And I'm gonna go ahead and actually update you guys in the next couple of days if enough of you guys comment. That being said, I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'm blown away. I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video.